I'm Catherine Danzy and I'm the founder of Rejuvenated, where we have a fresh approach to looking and feeling fantastic. I first started working in the beauty industry over 40 years ago and I've been really fortunate to work with some amazing people. We started work on the concept of beauty from within over 23 years ago, and during that time we've worked to innovate and pioneer this exciting new approach to healthy skin. All our products are 100% natural from traceable sources, so you can be assured of the finest possible ingredients every time you buy our products. Over recent years, the concept of beauty from within has become established within the beauty industry, and we feel incredibly proud to have won prestigious awards. So we'd like to thank all of you for supporting us in that time of growth, and here's what a few of you have to say about our products.